Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. It is the 10th. Wednesday the 10th. I'm Ryan J. Coffee and cream. Get to have real cream today because since Sunday, this last Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Time till today, Wednesday, 8 p.m., or I'm shooting a little bit later than that. I've completed a 60-hour fast start fast with the Fast Start Fasters. So if you were a part of that and were part of the movement and the community and part of the journey on this 60-hour fast, I congratulate you. If so, good vibes, high fives all the way for that. That's excellent. Good job. So I commend you. And I want to ask you, how do you feel? Type it in the comments and let people know how you feel and what your results are. So yeah, that's great. That's great. Good stuff. Good stuff. And a fast is kind of interesting because the first time I was approached by it, I was like, there is no way that I cannot eat for 60 hours. Well, then I actually did one, and at the end of it, I was like, wow, this is amazing. I want to say 99% of a fast is your mental game. Your mental game. It is maybe even 100% mental. Don't know. I'm not a mathematician guy or anything like that, but a big focus on a successful fast is how mentally disciplined you are. You know, and that's what it is for me. So at the end of it, so I get to have my cream today because this does contain calories and it does contain fat calories. So man, this is delicious. So good, so good. So my results of the fast for me, I feel great. I feel still energetic. I still have energy. I feel strong, actually. I really do feel strong. My brain is clear. Colors seem to pop a little bit more. I seem more aware, and that's mentally. Physically, how I felt, last night, my extremities were a little cold, like my toes and my fingers were cold, my arms and my legs were cold. But I've witnessed that in the past when I've gone through fasts as well. So that's nothing new. Other than the mental game, it was a good fast. It was a good fast. Now, since I've completed it, yes, I will have a small breakfast this morning. And I usually don't eat breakfast. Usually I'm an intermittent faster. And I will go back to intermittent fasting for sure. For sure. Because that's beneficial for me and I find out it works super well for me. So, but because of the 60 hours and not having any caloric intake, I'm going to have a small breakfast this morning. So it'll probably be eggs. I got my cream, and that's probably all I'm going to do for my caloric intake today to ease myself into calories again and not wreck the work, literally the work. Do I want to order a super huge big deep dish pepperoni? Of course I do. But since I put in the mental discipline and willpower to complete a 60-hour fast, it really makes no sense to backtrack and ingest all those calories. So to ease into it slowly, that's what I'm gonna do, and that's with proteins and fats, good fats, and I might make myself a green smoothie, which would have dark leafy greens. My green smoothies get off the chain, off the chain. Some days I'm throwing in spinach and kale and Brussels, they're not sprout. Yeah, they are Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts and celery, and not all in the same one. Not all in the same one. But I like to mix and match and play with my super green smoothies. And for my super green smoothies, I find it's real beneficial, and because some days, I'm gonna be honest, some days they taste like a garden. Okay, that's cool if you like gardening. I actually like throwing in a keto cream into my green smoothies. It gives it more of a flavor, gives it a vanilla-y flavor, and a scoop of protein powder. Super good. So I mix and match my green smoothies. I have no set recipe. No set recipe. It's literally like just, oh, hey, I got this. This is a dark green leafy vegetable. Throw it in. Yeah. They're tasty. They're tasty. Some days are a hit. Some days are a miss. But, hey, all in all, it's still the vegetables that you need. And that brings me to this. Maybe after this, and I'm just like thinking this through right now as I'm talking to you. Maybe after this fast, I switch my diet up to more dark green leafy vegetables. I'm gonna give it a go. And see what happens. And of course, I'll report back. So, yeah. Super excited. Cream in my cup. Get to have calories today. It was a successful fast. I can't wait to do my next one. I'll probably do it maybe next month, actually, to keep supporting the Fast Start Faster community and the movement of Fast Start Fasters. So, to cheer them on and support them in their efforts, because doing this alone it's hard. It's hard. And having a community behind you and having people with the same interests and the same goals in mind and the same mind frame, maybe different results at the end of it, but are all going to one common area and theme and completion of the 60 hours. To do it lock in arms with somebody is extremely beneficial, and it helps. I wouldn't recommend it any other way, actually. So that's that. All right, I'm gonna wrap up my coffee and cream for the day. Again, congratulations to all the Fast Start Fasters. If you're interested next month to getting in on this, of course I'll keep you posted on this forum, and of course I'll keep you, the YouTubers watching, informed as well. So yeah, I look forward to it. With that, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. This is Ryan J. making an epic day.